Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Confirm power type, 120V or 240V, and check the breaker. Once done, inspect firmware and update if below version 1. 2. 0 because stability fixes matter. Next, mount the machine on a level surface and clamp it. This prevents drift during operation. Make sure your emergency stop is reachable and test it briefly. Finally, set personal protective equipment in place. Eye protection, gloves, and clear workspace. These first actions set a safe, predictable foundation for precise work. You now move into core operation. Calibrate each axis with the probe or a manual gauge to achieve 0. 1 mm accuracy. This reduces scrap and improves repeatability. Then define tool offsets and enter feed and speed values from the material chart, because incorrect parameters wear tools fast. Once offsets are set, simulate the program and run a dry cycle at 25% speed to confirm motion paths and clearances. If the dry run is clean, you're ready to load the actual program and start controlled production. You finish by executing the full run but monitor increments and log cycle times. This helps track drift and tool life. After the first piece, inspect dimensions, burrs, and surface finish. Make small adjustments to feeds or offsets if tolerances are off. If anything goes wrong, unusual vibration, alarms, or poor geometry, hit the emergency stop immediately. Then review error logs, verify clamps and tool mounts, and repeat the dry run. This targeted troubleshooting prevents repeated failures and gets you back to consistent production quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.